In this video, I'm going to explain about the three-way matching process and make sure our bills paid to the correct received products to the vendors. I'm going to explain about the three-way matching process here. We need to go to the purchase. The three-way matching process will do the validation between the receipts, purchase order, and the vendor bills on the received goods. Okay. Here we're going to create a new purchase order. I'm going to select the vendor. I'm going to give the product. I'm going to give the screws. 25 units. I'm going to give the 10 units here. I'm going to give the 10 units here. After creating the purchase order, I'm confirming the order. After that, we're going to go to the receipts and we're going to making the received quantity as a 6 and I'm going to save it. I'm going to do the validation here. After doing validation, I'm creating a back order. If you want to create a back order, we can create a back order. If they don't need up the back order, we can select no back order. I'm going to create the back order here. I'm going to do the quality check. I'm going to save it. After going here, we can see here two receipts are there because we have created the back order. I'm going to go to the create bill. Here the bill is for the 6 quantity which have we received. If we go to the other info, here we shown as a should be paid yes because it's billed for the 6 quantity which have received. If I change it to, for suppose I change it to 10 for suppose. Okay. If I go to other info, it will be shown as an exception because we are paying bill more than the received quantity. That's why it's showing the exception. It won't stop the process of paying bill, but it will be shown as an exception. We can check over there whether the bill is payable or not according to the received quantities, goods and all. I'm gonna go change here. I'm gonna confirm it. I need to select the bill date. I'm going to select the today's bill date. I'm gonna confirm it here. And I'm gonna do the receive products for remaining parts. For the back order, I'm going to do the validation. I'm gonna create the bill for remaining products, remaining 4 products. Here we can see. Here we can see another info. Should be paid yes. I'm going to confirm the vendor bill. Here I'm confirming it. Here we can see the 2 vendor bills and 2 receipts. That's all about the three-way matching process. Thank you.